Well, Liz, Russell told me that you wanted to use your press to print coasters. So I put together this little form and inked up the 6x10 Kelsey Excelsior, sitting right next to the 5x8 I'm restoring for you. And I set it up to print coasters. Like this. A way of saying happy birthday to you. The picture on there is printed from an engraving that was used by the Kelsey Company themselves for their advertising sometime in the early 20th century. The type is Bookman, cast by American type founders in the early 1900s. The small font is Palatino. I hope you like them. Now, I'll go print some coasters now, like you'll be doing when you get your press. It's that simple. Well, not really, but it gets easier as time goes on.